What is nameif in Cisco ASA, its use case and import? In Cisco ASA, Adaptive Security Appliance, devices, the nameif command is used to assign a name to a particular interface. This name is used to identify and categorize the interfaces within the security appliance. Each interface on the Cisco ASA should be associated with a unique name using the nameif command. Use case: interface identification. The primary purpose of nameif is to provide a human-readable identifier for each interface. Instead of referring to interfaces by their physical names, like inside, outside, or DMZ, administrators can assign more meaningful names based on the intended role of each interface, e.g., LAN, WAN, DMZ. Security policies. The nameif command plays a crucial role in defining security policies for traffic passing through different interfaces. Security policies are often applied based on the names assigned to interfaces. For example, different security levels or access control rules might be applied to traffic moving from the inside to the outside, versus traffic moving from the DMZ to the inside. NAT configuration. Network address translation, NAT rules are often tied to specific interfaces. The nameif command helps in setting up NAT configurations by associating them with the named interfaces. Routing decisions. Routing decisions can be influenced by the names assigned to interfaces. For example, routing tables and static routes may reference interfaces by their assigned names.